Hello, I'm Rachel Guthrie, and I'm a Senior Program Manager with the Dynamics Product Group at Microsoft. I'm thrilled to be teaching the Excel for Data Analysis course together with ELVTR. We have designed a comprehensive end-to-end course that starts with critical Excel functions and ramps quickly through data visualization techniques that result in impactful reporting. This is a course I wish I could have taken decades ago because there are so many time-saving tricks I've learned in my 20-year career, from how to combine formulas, to creating pivot tables and charts, to building a data model from scratch to solve business problems. These are techniques every business and finance professional should know. The course was designed for anyone looking to improve their skills in Excel and learn how advanced functions and formulas are used for data analysis in a variety of business cases. It's also for those who want to pass the Excel Associate and Expert Microsoft certification exams. It's for finance or business students and professionals who want to learn how to use Excel for data analysis. And if you just want to up your game and learn the latest data presentation techniques for actionable insights, then this is the course for you. The course consists of 2 modules. The first module teaches you the key Excel skills every business user needs, while the second module is a deep dive into data analysis, advanced tools and features, and specific business applications of Excel. In 16 live lessons over 2 modules, you'll learn how to clean your data for analysis, use formulas and functions, create tables, charts, and dashboards, as well as work with macros and Power add-ins like Power Pivot and Power Query. Most importantly, you'll practice various built-in tools and techniques for data analysis in Excel, and you'll learn how to apply them to solve real-world business challenges. The course is structured to help you prepare for the Microsoft certifications, Excel Associate and Excel Expert, through live demos, hands-on home assignments, and tons of practice questions. With the home assignments, you'll get a chance to practice everything we've covered in class on your own. I'll provide my personal feedback and have office hours twice a week if you still have any questions. The final lesson is a bonus workshop on Power BI, which will allow you to further advance your skills and present your findings by creating interactive visualizations. I'm incredibly excited to be teaching this course, and I can't wait to see you in class.